guys, good morning. It's currently December 6. I don't know, it's so cold lately. And tinatamad akong mag-function, to be honest. I have a task and as usual, I am procrastinating again. It's a Friday night. Gusto ko sanang mag-bouldering again with Nat, but I don't think I can because I went to Yokohama last Tuesday and Wednesday, and that took me around 1 hour and 40 minutes, almost 2 hours to go to Yokohama, and then almost 2 hours going back. Hella tiring because I'm not used to going to the office at all because I've been working from home since I started back in 2021. So I think my period is gonna come because I have just been so emotional lately. Oh my gosh, may ginawa ko sa lips ko. Don't mind it. But, nababother ako. Ano ko nababother din kaya pero. So I just think that my period is gonna come because my energy has been so low. Like my head hurts and my body feels so heavy and I'm not in the mood to do anything. Like right now, wala pa akong lunch. I'm supposed to go out and buy stuff from the grocery, which is just a 2-minute walk, pero tinatamad ako. Although I don't feel hungry yet, but I don't want to, like, be rushing when I'm already hungry. Tapos, ayun, I've just been so emotional since yesterday. So, I'm currently on a break and I wanted to edit yung videos na film ko for the past few days because I filmed a lot of stuff but I'm so lazy to edit them. I don't know why. So, pupunta ako sa grocery to buy the ingredients I need for nilaga. This bag, I bought this from GU because I don't have a cross-body bag. And I need one kasi putik. Ang hirap ng bag na ganun lang, shoulder bag, kasi nagsaslide off siya. So, I bought a cross-body bag. Yes. Back from the grocery, it literally took me 10 minutes to go to the grocery and buy what I needed, which is what I really appreciate here in Japan. Japan is everything's so close. You don't need a car. Everything's so accessible, either by train or by walking. Ayun. I'm not sure if that is still the case sa ibang areas. Like outside of Tokyo or outside the big cities, but here in Tokyo, as in parang lahat walking distance. Alisin ko lang yung jacket kasi parang kainit niya. So back to what I was saying. Ayun nga, lahat sobrang accessible dito. Yung groceries, yung convenience stores, there's one in every block, basically. So you won't have a hard time if you don't have a car here. Compared sa Philippines na everything's just so convenient. Pag may kotse ka, pero kung wala, girl, you're gonna struggle. So, I'm gonna wash the dishes first and then I'm gonna cook nilaga because I haven't had lunch. Yeah.
Kiss me.